ready for this. It looks like the stream has begun or started. Okay, this is for the people who are gonna watch this after the stream. I'm building a Android emulator for PC, which runs latest Android, and it's based on Google's Android SDK. That's it. Hopefully someone appears here. Hello. Oh, someone actually appeared. Okay, cool. Hello, hello, hello. I think the stream is running fine. Okay, let's actually do the actual thing. I wanted to make video today, but had some issues in my life, so I couldn't. So I need to complete this project by tomorrow. So I can make video plus publish this thing. Try Helium browser, your last video. All right, I'll try. I haven't actually tried Helium yet. Hey, love from Wakanda. Really? Is Wakanda really a place? I thought it was only in movie. Oh, it's the fictional East African country. Wakanda is not a real place. But anyway, hello. Hello and welcome. How do I pop out the chat? Just like that. New managing moderators can support your channel in even more ways. Okay, that's cool. Actually cool. I'm doing the live stream after a long time and I'm kind of confused. Oh, okay. Okay, now I figured this out. Can you show me for a minute how to run iMySpeed in my Windows machine? What do you mean by iMySpeed? Are you talking about some software or something? Okay. Let me check the stream health. It says excellent. That means it's working. Okay, nice. And there is even a this is not looking good. I should turn off the dual stream, or maybe I'll just let it run. My speed, no I. Yes, periodically take speed test for internet speed and log it in pretty graphics. What? I still didn't get it. Maybe you're talking about something that I don't know. Is that a software that does something? Okay. So I'm building my own Android emulator that will let you run any kind of Android, not just like the phone one. Yeah, it's using the Google's SDK, but it will be more optimized. It already is. So yes, a GitHub project. I'll try that out. I don't know about that yet, so maybe I'll look it up right now. I am speed. That's like I am speed, not I my speed. You mean you built it? Or am I in wrong GitHub? Okay. Yeah, I want to test out something here with the lowest resolution possible. Can I not change the resolution after I created them? I don't think so. I don't think so. Wrong GitHub. Love from Bangladesh. Thank you, brother. Is it better than Moomoo Player Android emulator? Right now, Moomoo Player is the best one. Okay. I also did a couple of videos already. If you want to run latest and greatest Android, yes, it's better than Moomoo Player. But if you want to do hardcore gaming, just for gaming, it's not, because it kind of struggles when you load heavy games. Like I'm testing this right now, like this game right now. I'm gonna turn off the music for now. Okay, so this game, it's a classic game called Beach Buggy Racing. Yeah, it runs flawlessly. No issues. Okay, let me test this. It's overlapping. What are your thoughts on Helium browser? I haven't tried it yet. I think it's pretty cool. So look at this game. Okay, it's working. Let me go full screen. Where is my mouse now? Hello? I lost my mouse. Okay. I need to fix so many things in here. So it's working, right? It's a pretty good game. It's working. But now, if I play this game called Free Fire Max, yes, it can also run Android TV. I haven't tested this, but it runs almost any Android version, even the automobile one, Watch one. We'll try that. Don't worry. So if I run this game, it struggles. So I need to optimize this so it can handle the heavy graphics. Look at that. It just crashed. Okay, but in the little older Android version, it runs a little bit better, like the Android 14. So what I'm thinking is that the lower versions of Android are more optimized for x86 than the newer ones. So maybe for gaming, I'll have to optimize one, like the lower one, Android 14 or 15, and yeah, something like that. Will it have ads? I'm not planning to put any ads because it's not my entire work. I just made an GUI for the SDK AVD. So you don't have to type anything and you don't have to use the Android Studio. Okay, you can just have the essential things and run the Android. And I have done some tweaks. So it uses your GPU and also some of your CPU. It runs fast. Okay, so it actually feels really smooth. Look at this. Look at this. Check this out. It runs like butter, but for heavy graphics, it struggles. I think I need to do some tweaks related to the 3D rendering. Other than that, everything is running like butter. It feels like I'm using a tablet or phone, a real phone or tablet. It's very good. Yeah, almost. Did you try Google Play Games? Yes, I have. I have tried on this SDK platform. You have to use a third-party app for play games with keyboard and mouse. Yeah, I know, but if this goes well, if I can optimize the 3D rendering without making the game crash, I'm planning to implement the key mapping too. Okay, so this is the project link. You can't post the project links in here. You name it like, okay, let me actually search it. My speed. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, this one. A speed test analysis software that shows your internet speed for up to 30 days. 30 days? What do you mean by 30 days? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. It's a internet analyzer, basically. It shows you the ping and everything, almost every info about your internet. Okay, got it. I got it. Okay, I'll try this out. I'll just bookmark it. My tongue is twisting. Thanks. I'll try my best to make it better. The first problem was if anyone wanted to use a Android emulator just for fun or just to test this out, you had to download an entire Android Studio and all that, or you have to know the command line tools, now with this project, you don't have to. Okay, the first problem is solved. You download this simple GUI, get the essential stuffs, get the images, and you're done. Yeah, you create the new device and then, So let's actually test out the Android TV because I have not tried it yet. I was so busy, optimizing this. So right now I have Android 16, 15, and 14 installed. There is even a Android 17. Let's download the Android TV. Google TV, Android TV. Which one should I download? I download both of them. Why not? I think the Google TV will have, what do you call it? I forgot. The Google Play services. The Android TV won't. So let's find out. No problem, brother. No problem. I'll try my best to perfect this. It's not perfect yet. Okay. It's like the 50% complete. It's usable. It's not usable only for hardcore gaming. If you're planning to play some like heavy game, it might not work, or it doesn't actually work. So let me turn on the music again. If I don't talk, the music will go up. If I talk, the music will go down. Very nice. the dual stream, it automatically creates a short stream, but I don't see myself there. It just cut off my face and it doesn't look good. I should turn that off. Bada boom, bada bing. Okay, it's, why is it so slow? I shouldn't have downloaded this simultaneously. Oh, it's unzipping. It's already downloaded. It's unzipping, I think. Yeah. Yeah, it's unzipping. Let's go to the SDK manager. Android TV. I think it's still unzipping, so I'll wait. Okay, one of them is fetched. GGXD. Still unzipping. The music is so loud. Can you turn a bit, please? Turn this down. Okay, I'll turn this down a little bit. Okay, it should be good now. It's -7 dB now. It's a chill music. You don't like chill music? Come on, it's taking forever to download the images. Oh, look at my D drive. It's running at 100%, which is probably not a good thing. Okay, the Android TV is ready. It's unzipped. The Google TV one is not ready. So let's wait for it to... Oh, it's ready. I think I should optimize my D drive. Oh no, it's running at 100% for some reason. Why? Tell me why. Still running at 100%. Something is wrong with my D drive. Look at this. I'll have to wait for it to cool down. Something is running there. Is it a system? Disk. OpenJDK. It shouldn't be running in the background. Why is it running? Let's end this. Come on. Yeah, okay. There is a bug probably. SDK manager exited again. It's fine. It's fine. Now we're gonna create the Android TV. But I don't see this in the list. What? Do I need to close this and also let's optimize this. I don't think there is any issue with the drive itself. It's fine. But for some reason, terminal. am I not reading the chats? What are you doing? Do you know Hindi? Probably. You should try Meld Studio. So much better and easier and with awesome features. I have heard about that, but you stream using OBS? Yes. I use your GUI, SCRCPUI. Thank you. The music is, okay, I read that. The chill music is quite loud. Maybe try -10 dB. Okay. Hello, what are you working on? The Android emulator. You look Indian. Really? But I'm not, brother. But I'm not. Okay, let me turn down the music to -10 dB, okay? And tell me if this sounds good. It's exactly -10 dB now. Tell me if it's good. I'm not gonna talk and you guys tell me what's up. Okay, new device. Okay, now I see the Android TV. Let's create that one. It's just Android TV. Come on. Okay, we're gonna, I think the default is fine. Again, let's create the Android Google TV now. Google TV. This one. I should use the landscape mode. There is a gaming thing, full HD. Okay, let's create the Google TV now. Come on. What happened? It didn't work. I think the Google TV is broken. Oh no. I need to run the repair. Luckily, there is a repair option. So we're gonna run and test the Android TV first. I should have used the landscape mode. Or is it using the landscape mode? Let's see. There is a landscape mode. You did not pick it. Can you please tell us the story of your student's life? It's kind of boring. It's not good. You don't want to hear that. It's terrible. Trust me, you don't want to hear that. Are you Indian? You look like. Okay, I should, color my hair, put some makeup. Maybe then I won't. Is the family health okay? I watched your video about that the other day. Yeah, he's doing better now. Thank you. Hey, Wix. Do I know you? Your name sounds familiar. The Android TV is not booting. Why? Let me check the logs. Is logs turned on? No, it's not. Okay, let me turn off that. And then turn on the log and then launch it. Okay, it says Windows Hypervisor Platform Accelerator is operational. That means it's gonna boot anytime now. 1280 by 720p is also landscape, isn't it? It has to be opposite to not be a landscape. Let's see. Android emulator. Indian is a compliment. I know. It doesn't bother me that much actually. It is absolutely fine. But the Android TV is not booting. Why? Are the images actually broken? Okay, let me... I focused so much on the regular Android. Maybe the Android TV is broken. Okay, let's update that and also update this one. Yeah, this one is probably broken. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Oh. Yeah, the Android 16, the Google TV is broken. I want to ask you if you're planning to update SCR-CPUI before or release new one for iPhones, just mirroring the screen. You know what? If I had iPhone, I would probably implement something. I saw some... No, actually, someone sent me a screenshot of the fork that they made using my app, the SCR-CPUI GUI. They actually implemented the many other features. It also works with iPhone. They implemented the Miracast, probably the Android, other iPhone stuff too. I'm actually planning to implement the Miracast, but the problem is the AI agents that I use, they get hit by the limit really fast. Let me actually show you guys this. Anti-gravity. Do you play games? Yes, sometimes, not that much. I used to play games a lot back in the day, but not anymore. Sometimes, only sometimes. Okay, let me show you guys this. The quota, the model quota, weekly limit, 67% left. I only used it twice. Okay. Bigger the project, faster I hit the limit. So SCR-CPUI GUI is bigger. So yeah. The Claude one, I only have 27% left because it just hits the limit within a couple of minutes. Like, it's not that efficient. It's good. It's like really good, but it's not efficient. The Gemini is okay. It's not as good as the Claude, but yeah. Hey Gaby, I remember seeing your comment on one of your videos that you should make context menu manager for Windows as your next project. Have you thought about it? I actually did a update video on that, and Microsoft is actually making a context menu manager. They are fixing the Windows 11's context menu. So I was like, no, I'm not going to do it then. I'll just be wasting time. So no, context. Yeah, it's a nice idea. I actually tried once, but failed. I was making the GUI for Shell, the Nilesoft Shell. I think I hit the limit. I was at my last, quota of the week or something. and I just gave up. Do you have any solution for WhatsApp in desktop? Earlier it was better, but now it sucks. Just use the desktop web version of WhatsApp. That's what I use actually. web.whatsapp.com. Just use that, and I think it's the same here. In WhatsApp, I think it's a Electron app. Let's install it to see if it is. Can you suggest a free open source app for iPhone's mirrors with no ads or low quality? I don't know actually. Again, as I said, I don't have the iPhone. I mean, in my house, I have an iPhone, but I don't use it. My wife uses it, and I don't like it actually. I'm not even trying. Locally or server. If you have a beefy computer, local. If not, then server. Using local AI for coding is kinda impossible unless you have like super powerful Mac, which costs your kidney. What was I looking for again? Third-party app. Oh, let's view. That lets you. Oh, okay. You know what? I can actually make a app, or I can actually implement a feature to cast iPhone to PC. You know, this thing, wireless casting, is basically a Miracast. If you have a Wi-Fi on your PC, you can easily mirror your phone to PC. Yeah. There are many options, but I still need an iPhone to test. I have, but I don't use it, but I'll try implementing that. It costs your life. Yeah, I mean, that's true. Everything got expensive. It's not just Mac. Everything is expensive. Even how hot is it in Nepal right now? It's pretty hot, but right now it's raining. Not today. Yesterday it was raining. Today it's cloudy. So it's not that hot, but it gets really hot over here. Interesting. I did not know that. Honestly, I don't trust MS at all. So I'm still on Windows 10. Unfortunately, the existing Connect menu manager app isn't really good. Anyways, thanks for considering it. Yeah, I mean, Microsoft is doing it. So yeah, just wait. Probably by 2027, they'll have that ready. What is your mobile browser? It's Chrome. You ride motorcycle? Yes, I have motorcycle. That's the only thing that I have. Is it possible to control phone from anywhere with SCR CPU? And not from anywhere, like you have to give permission. It's not like a remote control app. It's not. It works locally. Even with the wireless, you have to be connected to the same network. If you want to control it from anywhere, you can use TeamViewer or something, but they lag a lot. I tried multiple apps, but they all say it's free, but at the end, it will lock at 25 frame on 720p. I'll actually try making the app for iPhone, I guess. Okay, let's go with the landscape. And then we're gonna go with the Android Google TV. Oh, there are two of them. Which one should I use? This is very confusing. Oh. Okay, that's another problem with this. Maybe I'll make it a little bit bigger. Come on. No, it didn't create. Why? Or have I hit the maximum? Okay. Amount of devices I can create. Ah. Yes, I think I can't create more than 4 devices. I need to... what the code software you use? Right now I just use anti-gravity. Use Tailscale for remote access. Okay. Hey, what is the topic? Sorry, I'm late. I'm just building a Android emulator, and I just found out that you can't create more than 4 devices, so I need to fix that. Why don't you make video of Schneegans for debloated Windows install? Is that... oh, you're talking about the XML file. I think I have already. It's okay. Let me find that music actually. Okay, I forgot the name of that thing. It's Chill. The music name is Chill, but it's by... let me actually give you the name. Oh, it's... the name is Lazy Walk by Cheel, or Sheel, CHEEL. Oh, that's nice. Okay, let's launch the Google TV. Please just launch. Thank you. It's gonna take some time because I gave it like 8 gigabytes of RAM and a little bit more storage. So let's see. The logs are turned on, so let's see. I just entered, what are you cooking? I'm cooking the Android. Let me tell you something. I actually worked on a project called Android OS. I was actually making a Android OS for PC, you know, just like the other Android operating systems. And I worked on that for almost a month. I was very close to booting it, but for some reason I got some real problems, okay? And I had to abandon it. And let me actually show you guys. It's not impossible, but it takes so much time. So I had to just shut down that project. I was very close to making it boot. You know, this drive that I have here, which is not utilized, this one, the disk one, this was full just to make Android operating system. This was full of that and I deleted it. I feel sad. I'm just gonna wait for Google to release the Aluminium OS, and then I'm gonna make my own Android operating system. And I'm gonna make it free and open source. Right now it's a bit complicated. It's not impossible, but it's a little bit complicated. I don't use third-party antivirus. Hey. I just use the Windows Defender. Very good. First time watching your stream. Yes, I only do stream sometimes. It's very rare. Any updates on Windows 12 or all the news are fake? You know, it's not confirmed that Windows 12 is coming. People are just, including me, they're just assuming. Okay, just recently they what? This is not Android TV, is it? I did something wrong here. So just recently, Microsoft extended the support for Windows 10 again until 2027, probably because they need more time to fix Windows 11, or they're gonna release the next version of Windows 11. Probably Windows 12, or if not, something else. They're gonna name it something else, but the new version, or we'll see completely different kind of Windows 11 that is going to be good. Something, okay? People are just making assumptions, including me. It's not like confirmed. Okay, that's it. It's what? It should be Android TV. I think I did something wrong here. Let's delete this. Let's delete this one too. And keep those there. Okay, let's do it carefully now. Android TV. And we're gonna select Android TV here. Let's do landscape. Okay. And then we're gonna give it like 6 gigabytes. Okay, it's Android TV there, right? So we're gonna create one. Let's create another one. It's going to be Google TV. And we're gonna select the Google TV here. Or should I select this one? I don't know. And then we're gonna give it like 5 gigabytes and a little bit of more storage. Just like that. Can you make a emulator which cannot be detected by... No, that's kind of impossible. No, that's not possible. For that, I'll have to create a hardware too, so not possible. Like Bliss OS is the only mostly little bit working one. Yeah, right now their website or the development is in pause, but they're planning to make comeback probably after Google releases the Aluminium OS, so they can make the Android OS better, you know, because the desktop mode is now built into the Android, so it's gonna be a little bit easy for the devs. You plan to stream on TikTok? No. No. Where are you from in Nepal? And what's your real name? Narayan. Are you from Nepal? Are you trying to, what do you call it? Stalk me. Just call me KB, bro. But if you try hard, you can actually find my real name pretty easily. They're removing Copilot and adding it back like with Windows K2 they'll do. I mean, the copilots, everything will stay as it is, but they'll probably make it uninstallable, you know. Let's launch the Android TV. People who have old devices and want to use it as a mini home server, use Postmarket OS. It's working, amazing open source software. I haven't tried that yet. But if you just want to browse the internet, I recommend Chrome OS Flex. They're even selling the USB, bootable USB for that. Let me show you guys. USB kit. Look at this. This is actually good. Okay. No, not that one. Yeah. You can also make your own. So here, give your laptop a new life with Chrome OS Flex. They have partnered up with the Back Market and they're selling the Chrome OS Flex bootable USB drive. It doesn't even say Chrome OS Flex, it's just said Chrome OS, which is kind of not a same thing. Maybe it's the same thing, but yeah. It's, in my opinion, it's the best operating system right now. The most lightweight. If you just want to, you know, what? Why is the Android TV not working? It is getting stuck. Am I doing something wrong here? Thank you. I visited Nepal when I was a kid. Oh, nice. Where did you visit? There are many places to, you know, very good places in my country. I think you already know. In any Android OS, I can't. The drivers for my RTX 3060 Ti. So I'm unable to use Android OS because i5 F series, no integrated graphics. Yeah, you need integrated graphics for that, even for Chrome OS Flex actually. So, you know, if you have a good graphics card, so why not just use Windows 10, even 11, or some Linux, you know? Oh, look at that, look at that. Google TV, it's booting, finally successful. I don't know why the vanilla Android TV isn't booting, but Google TV, yeah, it's booting. That means it works. Ke banaudais theme? What do you mean by that? I mean, I'm using Postmarket OS and Redmi Note 5 as a VPN server to connect with my home network. It supports SSH and run Docker native Linux with Alpine Linux. I haven't actually tried SSH Docker yet. Yeah, I know I'm dumb, or maybe I never needed to. Do I need to create an account to continue? I need to sign in. So let me go bigger screen here so you guys can't see me. I mean, my screen. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I have to enter the full email address in here. You can see my email address, it's no big deal. That's me signing in from the Google TV. Let's see what happens here. Okay, it booted. It's Google Things, Google account for everything. Yeah, I mean, for normal Android, it doesn't require, only required when you need to download something or use Google service. But for Google TV, it looks like you have to. So it's pretty empty actually. There is nothing. Live TV. Does this work? It says nothing. This is the first time I'm trying out the Google TV. I don't have a TV, but is it gonna actually play the live TV here? I have no idea. Can you give Pop! OS a try? The new one? Oh, you visited the most popular place in Nepal, I guess. It's in like the capital, so yeah. I can see the reflection on your eyes, lol. Really? Please don't scare me. Now why is it stuck? Or do I need to use the remote? Oh yeah, it's working. Look at that. Oh yeah. Mouse is also working. Apps from my other devices. Okay. So how do I download the apps? Where is Google Play Games or something? Oh, search. Maybe I can search here. No, nothing happens. I think there is a secret way to use this. It's working. Do you guys know how to use this with mouse and keyboard? Search it options. So just search. Okay. I'm trying to click on it. It's not working. It's not working, boys. The keyboard is not popping up. I hit the enter. Oh, maybe that top one will work. This one. Yeah. Nope. The keyboard is not working. I think it is looking for the remote action, search action. Okay. Oh, okay, okay. I see the apps at the bottom. I don't know, for some reason I can't search it. I can download YouTube. Okay, someone sent me a mail. Collaboration opportunity with this Hey Kilobit, I hope you're doing well. My name is something. We are being following your content on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, but I'm only on YouTube, not on Instagram or TikTok. How did you find me on TikTok? Is someone actually posting my videos on TikTok? We are genuinely impressed by the quality of your videos, your editing style, storytelling. I think my videos are the worst in editing. I'm reaching out on behalf of this, a next generation AI powered something. We know that traditional editing workflows, whether in Premiere Pro, CapCut, we'd love to sponsor a dedicated video. Guys, how much should I charge them? Your rate one dedicated video, your WhatsApp number if available, so we can discuss on the collaboration more. Guys, how much should I charge them? What is the rate? Apps from other device, try to open them, maybe Play Store, go to settings. What software do you use to compile or export your apps to native Windows? exe. I actually use GitHub's workflow. If it's, yeah, most of the time that's what I use. I don't have to do anything. It happens on the server. It just spits out the exe, MSI, whatever I set up on the workflow. If I'm using, or if I'm like compiling it on locally, and I'm using the Tauri, it's easy. Okay, just build and it will spit out the exe and MSI. Yeah, 50k INR. 40,000. I don't think they'll be giving me that much. And I just recently, yeah, it's Tauri. Can I also use your Android emulator like BlueStacks? Yes, you can. I haven't published this yet. I still need to figure out a few things. I'll publish it as a beta tomorrow. I supposed to publish this today, but for some reason I couldn't. I haven't even completed testing this yet. So yeah. Let's download the VLC for Android maybe. Yeah, look at that. Now it opens Play Store. But what happened? Something happened here. Now I can't go back. Oh, okay. How do I install? Oh, okay. I can't use my mouse. I just have to hit enter. For running apps like more securely, try again. If it still doesn't work, see common. Okay, it says try again, so we go back. Let's try something else. Maybe Red Ball 4. Let's install this. Can I go one step back, please? Thank you. Let's hit enter. Pending. Please just get installed. Yeah, it is getting installed. How's the performance on your emulator? It's pretty good. It's for running apps and some light games. It's good, but when it comes to heavy 3D rendering, it crashes. But it is very well optimized for in terms of performance. Look at the CPU and GPU thingy here at the bottom. You can see that they're running pretty well. And it's like the latest and greatest Android, unlike the others. And it's not stripped. It's like full-blown Android. Something is wrong with this. Do I need to restart this? Let's do that actually. And let's check out the logs, what it says. I don't know. Most of it, I have no idea. Let's try launching the Android TV, the vanilla one. How's the performance? You're worth it and even more. No, I'm not like joking. Really? I don't think they're gonna give me like 40K. Something. No, BlueStack is actually running Android 13 now. They have beta, I think. 11, 13. The Android BlueStack 5 is running Android 11 and 13. Right now, the best one is this one. The Momo Player. It's the best one. That was my wife, and she sent me a message. Why are you deleting your messages, brother? Let me read them. Please try this app in the emulator. Qt Launcher, Mawakit TV Launcher. TV Launcher, I'll try. Try connecting the simulator with the CRCB. I don't know. Epic is. Yeah, I can do that. The app looks so clean, love it. But the part I honestly don't like is emojis on it. Where is emojis? Oh, the okay. I intentionally put them so I can tell the difference between these modes, you know, the host GPU, Angel, and Swift shader. I can remove that, don't worry. Yeah, right now, this is probably the best Android emulator for gaming, okay? I'm not gonna say for other apps and stuff like that. For gaming, yeah, it's good. For apps, I think running the latest Android plus official emulator will be better. So that is the goal here. What happened to my Android? Yeah, the TV one, the stock Android isn't booting. So let's delete that. And let's delete the images too. Yeah, this one. Oh, I can't delete the images. I haven't made an option to delete them. See, this is not complete yet. You know, to fully test this, let's install this Wear OS, the Watch OS, Android Watch. It should be smaller and it should work fast. I'll remove the emojis, brother. Don't worry. You'll like it. Your opinion on learning Rust? Good. That's what I've been using. Right now, yeah, it's using the Rust underneath. All the commands are actually coming from the Rust. Only because the Rust doesn't have, what do you call it? The memory something? You know, where some C+ programs have the bad memory management. So Rust doesn't have, Rust is like memory safe. Plus right now AI, you just use AI, you'll be good to go. In future, I think everything will be done by AI. So I don't know. I'm not a developer, okay? I'm gonna be honest here. I can do this only with the AI, and I have the idea. I just put that idea, or I mean, throw that idea at AI, and he just give me back my idea. How do I say? I'm just confused. Okay, let's make the watch. Does this work? Watch Google TV. I think I need, oh, here, we're signed. Okay, let's create this. No garbage issue and memory leaks. Yeah. Yeah, maybe, I think I'm gonna publish this tomorrow as a beta. It's not complete, but it's usable already. And it's better than using the Android Studio and then emulator, because you can't really optimize this to run well. So it's better than the stock experience, but it's not good or better than the other Android emulators that are made for gaming. Okay, so yeah, that's one thing you need to understand. Okay, let's launch. Oh, I should have named it. I think this is the one. And it's actually the smartest way the labor work can be done by AI. The ideas are key. Yeah. You just need an idea. It's not like the AI isn't perfect still. Look at that. The watch is spinning, guys. I'm using watch inside my PC. This is also my first time trying out the Android watch. Even if it's virtual, it's going to be the best experience in my opinion. I haven't actually tried the Android watch yet. Let's see what it has and how does this work. Let's find out. It's spinning. But anyway, it looks much cleaner than most emulator out there. Yeah, it doesn't have anything. Okay, it's the full stock Android experience. So there is no ad, no nothing. Whatever Google has put into it, yeah, that's you get. You can probably strip that down by using the ADB and just debloat it. Yeah, that's also possible, just like you debloat your phone. So ADB works. How did you make this app? Anti-gravity. My wife sent me a message again. I forgot to. Are you still using Linux? No, but I'm actually still looking for Linux. I think the next I'm gonna try is Mint. I haven't actually tried Mint. I have tried Ubuntu. I have tried CachyOS. I have even tried Arch Linux somehow. I have tried many of them, but haven't actually tried Linux Mint yet. People talk that it's good. And I want to find out why people love that thing. I've always wanted to use Android emulator, but my PCs were never powerful enough for them. I honestly would prefer using some Android apps as they are on Windows, like WhatsApp, etc., over the native one. Might give yours a try though. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you can try it, but the best one I think was made by the Microsoft, the Android subsystem, but I don't know why they discontinued. That was really good, actually. The apps would launch just like the Windows app in separate window. So yeah, it's kind of sad to see that go away. What happened here? What is happening here? Why are you not launching? It's spinning, but it's not finishing the boot. Do I have to stop this and launch this again? The normal Androids are running fine. The Android made for phones and tablets. I think there is a little bit of issue with Google TV and the watch. Maybe I need to tweak them too. Maybe there are some tweaks that I have ran in these normal Androids. So those are also applied here. So yeah. No, it doesn't bypass the emulation detection. I'm back. Welcome back, brother. Maybe because of resolution. Could it be like that? I mean, yeah, I need to feed that to the AI and AI will figure that out. But okay, the thing is they work. So maybe it could be because of the resolution. The normal Androids are running flawlessly. I'm actually gonna run 2 of them at the same time just for fun. It's gonna make my computer go brrr, especially my CPU, but it should work. HHH usually fixes issues. Try to reboot the emulator app. This is just a GUI, not an entire app, so it shouldn't be an issue. Which one got booted? Can I not run 2 of them at the same time? I need to do lots of work in here. So this one booted. Oh, another one is also booting. Maybe they can't run simultaneously that well. Look at the CPU usage, 95%. This is not a good idea. Probably not. Not an entirely custom Android emulator. For now, this is the Google's SDK, but without using the Android Studio. Okay, I built a GUI, so you don't have to download the Android Studio. Just the essential things like the OpenJDK, command line tool, and the Android emulator engine. Yeah, these are the only things that you need. So yeah, they can run both simultaneously. Oh, hooray! But my CPU is burning. Also the RAM, look at that. I mean, it runs smooth. It's running flawlessly. And let's try this. Oh, there isn't enough. Okay, I need to shut down one of them. There isn't enough CPU to run this, I think. Nope. Oh. Okay, we're gonna force stop this cache. Clear the cache. No, not the storage. Okay, let's try this now. Oh, I think it fall back to something else. It's not using my GPU. Yeah, my app is adding custom configuration. Yeah, that is the reason it's not booting. You're right. Also add key mapping, also optimize it for low end. Yeah, that's the plan, my brother. It's, I think, because one has to load at a time. Yeah, I think that's the case. Aluminium OS. I can probably turn this into a Aluminium OS by turning on the desktop mode. We'll try that someday. I think I need to tweak some settings here and there. Only then it will do. So I need to figure out how to make this use more of the GPU power than the CPU. Right now, it's using the GPU also, but it's still relying on the CPU. Okay, it's not launching in Android 14. Okay, let's actually download a pretty heavy game which doesn't have any kind of anti-cheat. Okay, the online, non-online heavy game. Let's try that. Try booting Wear OS manually. I would love to. You know what? But the problem is, the whole reason for making this app is that I don't want to use the command prompt. I don't know any command commands. I don't know any of them. I have to look up on the internet, and I don't want to remember them. But the thing is, you are absolutely right. They're using custom commands. The app is sending custom command for optimization. Like, there is no SD card, so creating a new device is like instant. The device also boots faster, and there are many other optimizations that I have done. So maybe those optimizations are also applied to this, the Android TV and this. So maybe that's why they're not working. So let's actually launch this one, and let's download a heavy game that doesn't have the anti-cheat thingies. What's the latest news on Google Book or Aluminium OS? They're launching their own Google Book. That's the only. Genshin Impact, it doesn't have a what do you call it, anti-cheat thingies, right? Let's download that if I have enough storage in here. Look at that. Other than that, you know, this system, the Android system, feels smooth. Okay, it's usable. I'm pretty sure almost all the apps will run fine. You know, the first boot will probably, you know, take some time and also make Android feel slow because it needs to optimize all the apps and all that. So I'm gonna wait for my CPU to cool down. Okay, let's find out what is using the most of the CPU. Node.js Java runtime. Two of them are using the CPU. Why? Can I end this? Yeah, I don't know why. This app is still in beta, okay guys? Something else was using my CPU for some reason. Okay, now it does have anti-cheat. No, let's try something else which doesn't have anti-cheat. I think there is no reason to use anti-cheat in a game like Genshin Impact, but I'm not sure, to be honest. It says does have, so it's online game even if it's single player, but they do have their own anti-cheat. That's not a good thing. So what are we gonna try? Shadow Fight? It shouldn't. RPG 1.3, should we try the 3? Let's install this. Okay, I'm not gonna think too much. there is even 2. Let's try the 2. I think I have played 2, 1 and 2. So all the games shows up here like PUBG Mobile and all that. That means our Android emulator supports them, but it doesn't know that our Android emulator sucks. It can't handle the 3D emulation. Or there is this thing called Optimize Games, which pre-compiles installed apps, games to native machine code to eliminate JIT stuttering. Requires a running emulator. So we're gonna run this option. Shadowfight 2 is installed. Let's run this. Most of the games are made for ARM devices, so maybe the translation layer is bad, or there is something that we can do so all the apps and games that are made for both x86 and ARM get sorted properly. Like we run the Android emulator, it shows us the ARM, x86 one, the app or game. Yeah. OneDM Plus browser downloader with its phenomenal ad blockers. You know what? I'm gonna do it for you. OneDM. I know that browser. OneDM. I don't think I have Plus, so we're gonna download the normal one. Okay. I'll do it for you, my brother. Okay, it's downloaded. The optimization is also done. So let's run this. Yes. Let's create a folder, or there is a folder, custom folder called FR here. Oh, okay. It says error, so maybe we need to create another folder. Oh, it needs to be inside the downloads folder. Am I not smart? Tell me if I'm not smart. Look at that, it worked. No. Access to this directory was granted, but the storage this. Oh, okay. I need to type OneDM directory. Oh, okay. Can I not rename this? Can I? Okay, I'm just gonna create the folder. OneDM. Wait. Oh. OneDM. Use folder. Allow. Brother, it works. It works. If you're still here, yeah, it works. It works. All right, it works. I'm gonna uninstall it. I don't need it right now, so. The reason I can't add the CPU temperature is I have to create a custom kernel driver, which can be unsafe if I'm not careful, or I can use the third-party drivers, which are also bad. Sometimes they get vulnerability and they never get patched. So just to keep the secure system or app, I don't include it, but I do use some third-party app for watching the temperature. Okay, let's find out if this game works. Okay, this is one of my other accounts, so you guys know this. No problem, brother. You're welcome. I'm pretty sure this emulator handles almost everything except extensive or heavy 3D rendering. Something is happening here, boys. There has to be music, right? Boys, don't tell me it's gonna work. But I don't hear the music. That's the problem. Oh, I need to download the game from inside. Shadowfy 2. Is this rooted? Yes, you can also get the rooted one. Okay, let me show you how. So basically, you go to SDK Manager. It's not out yet. The app is still in testing phase. I haven't published this yet. Okay, so in SDK Manager, and then download Android system images, all versions, TV, Wear OS, and all that. Here, in stable Play Store, you don't get the root, but in stable Google APIs, you get the root. Okay, you get this one to get the root, or you can do some tinkering, something with the ADB to root the existing one if you want to. Yeah, I know you are smart. How is this working? It's working. It's a pretty heavy game. I know. Okay. Now I just need to focus on making the, what do you call it? I'm punching. Yeah, it worked. Wow. Okay. I think I'm just testing the wrong game here. The Free Fire Max thingy. I'm gonna uninstall it. It has anti-cheat. It probably crashes because of that. It doesn't like the emulator. Okay, let's test out the another one. It works. Okay, tell me a heavy game that Last Island of Survival. Will this work? It's like 2 gigabytes. I'm gonna install it. Who cares? Modern Warship. Mobile Legends. Bang Bang. No. Blood Strike. One Punch Man. No. Delta Force. I think that's too much. I'm gonna download this one. The Zombie State FPS shooting. How can we download this simulator? If you want to, right now, you can try this with Google's Android Studio, or if you know command lines, good. That's the reason I made this. Right now, it's not out. It's living in my system. Tomorrow, I'll publish this and make video. Hopefully, I was supposed to make video today and publish this, but had some issues with my own life. I needed to test this a little bit more, so here I am doing the live stream and testing. Hopefully it's ready for beta testing, so yeah, I'll publish this tomorrow. Don't miss the tomorrow's video. PUBG, we can try PUBG. I mean, why not? Okay, why not? Where is PUBG? PUBG Mobile. I don't have enough storage in here. I think I'm already running out of storage. I also need to work on the storage system here. Files. This. How do I know how much storage I have? We go to settings. PUBG is also anti-cheat. Sometimes it works, so maybe it will work. Is it not possible to add CPU temp and kilobit system monitor? I love that application. Yeah, it's possible, but it might become more unsecure. Okay, it needs the kernel level driver. You know, it needs to access the Windows kernel. Because of that, I don't want to take risk. I'm a solo dev, plus I don't know much about the programming. Okay, I just use AI. So I'm just keeping everything safe. Even if I use the third-party drivers that are already made, there are some open source ones like the HW monitor or something. They're also not that good. There were some vulnerabilities found, but it took them like a year to patch it. So they are not continuously updated. So I don't want to take the risk. That's it. Okay, it says I have 60 gigabytes of storage. Really? That's good. Zombie State. Let's play this one. Even though the other things are still downloading in the background, I shouldn't be playing this. Continue. Asphalt. Yeah, that's a good idea. Asphalt legend. I was gonna turn into the Ching Pong. I've seen some memes. Your English is pretty cool. Thank you, brother. You're the only one who liked my English and you said cool. Thank you. Can you show your app's project structure? Wanna see the tools like Emulator EXE? Can you build apps for free with anti-gravity? Yes, you can. Which structure? Okay, this is the structure. Okay, this is the main code and everything. If you want to look at my EXE stuff, it's under debug right now. I haven't installed it. So here is the Emulator EXE. I haven't even made a icon for it yet. So tomorrow is going to be a big day to release the first beta. I mean, I have to work a little bit harder on this. So your upcoming projects. Only this one right now. Only this one. Oh, it is also working. It has a 3D graphics. Look at it. How is this possible? We can go full screen. Hopefully my mouse doesn't get... Where is my mouse? I get lost. My mouse gets lost. That's the problem. Why? Okay, I need to fix that. But okay, the FPS is terrible, but the thing is, it's working. Okay. Yeah, FPS is kinda bad. Don't worry, boys. One day I'll optimize it. Yeah, it's a pretty heavy game. I know that much. Kick? I'm gonna kick him. Oh, okay. I just point at them. The graphic is too high. Can I go into settings and make it aim assist? It has the aim assist, boys. Okay, I need to figure out how to make the 3D rendering better in here. Other than that, it's working. Okay. So what is this? This is the 2 gigabytes one. I got it. It's in Android SDK folder. Just go to that folder and open CMD. There you can try manual command just to test things like launching Wear OS. Okay, what is I just tried Wear OS by launching with no custom configuration and it worked. Yeah, mine is sending the custom configurations, basically this app. So that is the reason. So how do I do that? My project, SDK, where in AVD or SDK? Here, I run this. Can you type the command so I can copy and paste? I don't want to do in AVD. Yeah, I don't want to do the Google search right now. Okay, 2 games are downloading. Let's check this out. Yes, it can run Google TV. Okay. Yeah, it got stuck for some reason. There is just so much work needed. It's 629 megabytes. So it's a pretty big game. You know, one thing what I have noticed, okay, I'm gonna test this theory out. Okay. Emulator list. Oh, okay. Okay, I'll do that. I can't really copy and paste right now because it's a different PC where I'm streaming from, and this one is different, so kinda sad. Or I can actually watch my stream. Why not? You know? Wait. How do I do this? No, I forgot. Yeah, this is how it... Okay, now... Okay, I'm doing the copy paste. Hopefully it works. Oh, device name ID. I don't know the name of the device. I can build an app that can make short clips on its own. Yes. You can. Are you from India? No. Now you're probably thinking emulators list AVDs. No, it's not. It's not. Okay, you guys heard my own sound, right? Double. Yeah, that's bad. It's not working. Don't worry, I'll figure that out. I know how to fix this. I'll make it work with the GUI. Don't worry. That's the reason I made this, so don't worry about that. I'm pretty sure it will work. But one theory that I want to test out here is that I'm gonna download this game in here. Shadowfight 2 here. Okay. You know, it will have low quality graphics. Okay, then this. And that could be the reason why this sucks and this doesn't suck. I think internally the custom Android emulators are using low resolution in every single game. Somehow. And I need to find that sauce, the recipe. How? That emulator.exe would be in oh, okay. I don't have that in here. Oh. I was actually in wrong place then. I should have been in here. Okay, my bad. Okay, now if I play this one here, the quality should be lower. You know, right now, this is the best Android emulator that you can get, in my opinion. Okay, it's the Android 12. And, you know, I might do some investigation on the other Android emulators and then figure out the things. How do I, you know, optimize my own Android emulator? So that is going to be the biggest goal. Now, if you look at this graphics, and let's launch this here. I can see the difference. Should how do I know? The quality is a little bit down for sure. I'm pretty sure. I've seen this before, like in other game that I was testing. It's always a little bit blurry. You guys can't probably see it, the difference, but timeout. I round 2. There is a difference, but I can't figure out what. This one, the mine, feels more sharper. It has low or high DPI, and this one, okay. You can see okay, I'll try that. Do you make it into exe when the AI is done building it? Yeah, I'll make it exe. Hello, brother. Which OS are you using? It's the, what do you call it? Windows 11, brother. Okay, now maybe we run this zombie state one more time, and this time it will run a little bit better, just because there is nothing running in the background. No, it's still kinda bad. We are getting the low FPS. Okay. Maybe clear out everything. Can I just click on clear all? Thank you. And let's try this one, the biggest one that we have, the gigabytes, 2 gigabytes one. Can your emulator be rooted, since removing Android signature verification is a must? Can you make the package for all OS like exe, AppImage, tab, DMG? I'm not too sure if I'm gonna be doing it for the Linux yet, but it should work for Linux too. It's just a command. This last survival isn't working. PUBG Mobile still downloading. I can try, but I won't be able to test it on Linux. So, yeah. I think it has an anti-cheat. Where did the PUBG Mobile go? Okay, you test it. Changing Google services for MicroG will give you big boost in performance. I'll try that too. Yes, it can be rooted and all that. Okay, but I don't think that's the issue right now. It's just like, it's a x86 emulator. Emulator itself is running fine because it natively supports x86, but the games and apps that we are running are made for ARM. So maybe that is the reason why it's not running that well. So yeah, I'm making the emulator, brother. Emulator. Okay, the PUBG Mobile is downloaded, so let's just test this out. And I'll also try to look into the resolution, the actual resolution of the other emulators. So we're gonna use the same thing, So the PUBG Mobile is starting, so hopefully it boots up. Nope, it says no. It says I don't. My friend sent me a message. It says, I heard that in your place it's raining heavy. And I said, yes, but not today. Good, all ones I use are ad ridden or have poor UI. The Momo player is decent. I'm not gonna say it's the best. I mean, right now it's the best, but yeah, it's pretty good in my opinion. It's the best right now. Okay, I'm getting tired now. I need to make some optimization. I need to make the logo for this app. That's it. And I'm gonna publish this as a beta for now. Hopefully it works. And I need to figure out how the other Android emulators are running heavy games flawlessly. I know for sure the graphics on them look terrible, so they're probably doing something in the background when we run the game, just lowering the graphics, something. So yeah, PUBG Mobile is just not working. It's not working. The Shadow Fight is running flawlessly. Zombie State is also running, but it's not running that smooth. I feel Momo Player is not safe. I mean, it's from the big company, so you can't really say it's not safe. I know where it's coming from, but it's better than using something that isn't from big company. You know, there could be a flaw, there could be some hacking thingy or something. If a big company does something shady, they'll instantly get caught, and you know how it works. So they're probably not doing some bad things. So I'm not like, the best thing you can do is not use the sensitive apps like the some finance related apps or your social media apps accounts into that. For gaming, yeah, it's fine. Maybe use a secondary account, not your main account. Yeah, otherwise it should be good. As long as anything is open source, we can trust it. Yeah, but not everybody is. I mean, there isn't a single Android emulator that is open source. If that was the case, there would be thousands of Android emulators. Like the BlueStacks started it all back in 2010 or 2011. They should have open sourced it. It's kind of bad right now in my testing. It has so much ads. Back in the day, it was like really good, but right now it's not that good. Right now, again, in my opinion, Momo Player is probably the best. Why are you not using CachyOS? Because I just bought a second PC, had to set up a dual PC setup, and right now I'm not like sitting on Linux. I'm just switching to different Linux distros. Maybe one day I'll have like dual, triple, or quadruple boot system. Someday. It's the Android emulator, my brother. It's the Android emulator. Let's try the TV one more time. Yeah, that's clever. Like, use the secondary account. That's what I actually usually do always. And yeah, can't we just have stock emulator with no extra settings? I think we can, but the problem is you won't have any Google services and all that. I'll try to implement that in here once I figure out how to make the 3D rendering better. If there are no heavy 3D rendering, the simulator works fine, it's good. Some light gaming is possible, but for heavy 3D rendering, it's still really bad. But the thing is, you can test out all the Android emulators, versions that you want. The latest and greatest. Android 17, yeah, that's the latest. So yeah, I haven't actually tried 17 yet. It's still under beta. For devs, it's stable for testing. For everyday use, it's not. So it's okay. Now hopefully we have moved your library and watch list to under the profile icon. Why did you do that? I didn't ask you. Home, apps. Can I search this time? No, I can't use mouse in here. And I can't search anything. And I can't install anything. Something is wrong here. Maybe my custom script is blocking the download and enter my keyboard buttons. I'm gonna vanish, guys. I'm gonna vanish for a second. You listen to the music, enjoy. I'm drinking the water. That's it. Okay. It says pending. It's not downloading. Can I play this? No, okay, it's now downloading. I think these lightweight games like the Red Ball, even the Neki not Street Fight, what was the game name? Shadow Fight. Those games will be playable. No issue. Okay, now we got game installed in here. And it's launching in Android TV. Cool, now I can also use my mouse for some reason. Cool. I think I can use my WASD keys to play this game, hopefully. How do you expect me to play game in Android TV? It's probably not touch. Come on. There is no audio or... Oh, there is an audio. Oh yeah, I can use my mouse and keyboard to play the game. Okay, that's how the TV... Okay, the TV games. Wow, okay. The TV games will work flawlessly in here. Oh, this is fantastic. Can I go full screen? Yes, we can. Oh. No, we're gonna get all the stars. Boom. I think we just drag this out here and checkpoint. Yeah, it's working. Wait, I wanted to get the star. It's working, boys. My mouse and keyboards are working too. We want the full screen. We want to see the game in full screen. We can't see anything, lol. Really? No, you guys can't. The stream stuck, dude. Oh, wait. No, what? You guys can see me, right? Okay, I can't go full screen right now. Probably. If I go, it will not work. Yeah, it will not work for some reason. So I'll have to figure that out why and how later. Or I can do this right now. Wait, right now I'm doing some magic here with the OBS. Let's add a game capture. Where is game capture? This, okay, now it should work, right? Okay, now if I go full screen, okay, let's see. Okay, now it's working, boys. It's working. Can I add the entire screen as a game capture? That would be much better. We can see you, but the game is stuck. Works fine. We can now see. Yeah. Okay, I need to push this hard, I think. How do I do this? Okay, I'm stuck in this level now. Oh, I can't go in water? Oh no. I can't kill this guy. Okay, now finally. Okay, how do I supposed to go up? Oh, can I do double jump? I have played this game before, so how do I make this rock go other side? Okay, wait. I think I know how. I think I know how. I know how. Push the rock to the... Yeah, I know. Come here, brother. No! Should I stay here? No. More? You need more power? I don't think I'm getting this. How? I give up. Come on. No, I don't give up. Never. Wait. Okay, finally. Okay, it works. Tutorial complete. Finally, no. Do you guys know how to, right now, if I'm playing a game, the game will probably get stuck because I'm pushing the screen capture to the other PC with OBS and all that. How do I make the display capture to automatically become game capture so it captures things properly or something? I need to figure that out. Just took you 3 hours. Bro, where are you from? I'm from Mount Everest, brother. I live in Mount Everest. You have to figure that out, Neo. Remove display capture and add game capture. Okay, if I add game capture, but I want the... Okay, game capture, specific window, capture window, foreground window with hotkey. No, I want this to capture the desktop too at the same time. Is it possible? I'll have to do some Google Shoogle for that. Right? Google Shoogle Schmoogle. don't think that's the right way to do it. I'll do something else. Well, Nepali. He's from he's from Mars, probably. Yep, the Mount Everest is in India, brother. Probably in, where is it? In Mumbai. It's in Mumbai. It's from YouTube. Make game. Yeah, I can I can just duplicate the game display capture, I guess. No, it's not working. That's the reason. It didn't work. I'll just figure that out some other day. He's from his mother. He's from his. Okay. So now I just need to do. There are so many things to do. First, the custom optimizations that I have applied shouldn't get applied to the TV and the watch. Okay, that's first thing. And second thing, we should be able to use the custom resolution and custom RAM, memory. Okay, and we need logo. I'll use ChatGPT for the logo, no problem. Should be done in 5 seconds. And yeah, the biggest thing is that we need to make the emulator handle 3D rendering better. For light gaming, it's good. Once I figure out that, how to, properly render the 3D thingies and not make the game crash. After that, I'm gonna implement the, what do you call it? Key mapping, just like on other Android emulator. If that happens, there is going to be only one good and best Android emulator. Mine, this one. Only if that happens. You should use Windows Spotlight images sometime. It's refreshing. You're right. And remove the emojis. Okay, I'll remove the emojis. I'll replace them with only the colors. Okay, I'll keep the colors. I'll remove the emojis. I still use PC uninstaller app since you have recommended it long back. I also still use that. Still have on my system, but I use it as portable. So even if I uninstall Windows and come back, I can just use that again. So yeah. So I need key mapping. First I need to figure out how to make the emulator handle heavy gaming properly. Only then I can proceed and make the key mapping thingy. Otherwise there will be no point. I think we can probably play like Clash of Clans, Clash Royale without any issue. It shouldn't be a problem. Okay, now let's test that out actually on Android 16. Tomorrow I'll release it as beta. Hello everybody, hello. I was gonna do it today. I've seen your comment before. Did you change your name? Hell yeah. Are there any better alternatives of MSI Afterburner in the market? I'm not into too much. I'm not into it, but I think it's the best. I actually use just the NVIDIA app if I want to, optimize my GPU. That's it. Clav. Can you have like easy name? Vertical stream is not doing good. Vertical stream. I've set up the dual stream. It automatically generates a vertical cropped version of the short feed. I don't know. It's not looking good. Yeah, I know. I remember you. I remember you from your profile picture. I should look into your profile picture in bigger form. I haven't done that. How do I go channel activity? I know you. Yeah, I know you. I've seen your comments. I've read all of them, almost all of them. Go to channel. Okay, that's how you see. Yes. Yes. Your profile picture is very recognizable. No, I'm not concerned. I just instantly recognize you with your profile picture. It looks completely different when I'm scrolling through the comments, You have a very cool profile picture. Yeah. Okay, let's do the Clash Royale. That's the game that I actually play. Have it on my phone, but haven't touched it in a while. Do I have it? Let me find out. Yes, I do. Sometimes I like to have fun with Clash Royale. So I think it's playable. I'm pretty sure it's 100% playable in here. Yeah, you're unique. Is it an OS or emulator? It's an emulator. I was actually working on an operating system. I spent almost a month, not like entire 24 hour, just like few hours. Had one of my drive full of the project files. I was almost about to make it bootable, but something happened, like my son got sick and the AI quota limit also got me frustrated, so I just deleted that project. I'll start that project again after Google releases the Aluminium OS. Then it will be a little bit easy, hopefully. Or by then the Bliss OS team will do something crazy. The desktop mode is built into the Android, so it should be a little bit easy for the devs who wants to create the desktop Android OS. Your Wi-Fi is very slow. It's not slow, but it's getting slow. Yep. It says warning, stream is healthy, and then now it says that warning. I think my stream is getting chopped. Oh yeah, I'm also using the Wi-Fi. I should be using the Ethernet for the internet. Oh no, let me fix that. the internet. Hopefully it works. Let's see. Please work. The YouTube is giving me warning saying that. Come on. By the way, I use all your project, but nothing is bug free. Your all projects are bug. I mean, you mean all projects have bug? Play integrity is not passing, I suppose, right? Play integrity. Oh, okay. So is it not passing? Does it say that? What do you mean by that? I try my best. You know, my apps aren't perfect, but they are usable. So, yeah. Why he trying to develop by wasting his time? Who wants to use a bug project? To be honest, almost every project is made for my personal use. I'm just gonna say that. That's it. The things that I want to use, or the things that I actually, want to have, that's the only reason I make, like, for example, the kilobit system monitor. You will see this in my every single video. I know it's not bug free, but I want this, so I made this and also published it. Maybe some of you guys will enjoy it, thinking that, or maybe some of you guys will contribute to it, helping making it better. Some of you guys have actually helped me, so contributed. So my wife is calling me. You quit? Bye. Hello? I think I need to go. The upload speed is... It says warning, the stream current bitrate is this, lower than recommended bitrate. We recommend that you use the stream bitrate of something this. I'm trolling him. No, I have seen your comments. I remember you. You're not trolling. You just don't understand. I know. I've seen your comments. I just ignored you in my videos. Okay, I think I need to go. My wife is calling me. Plus, for some reason, my internet just dropped down. I need to call my ISP. Hopefully, something is wrong with my internet. I'm pretty sure. The YouTube is giving me constant warning here. So, it's not looking good. Yeah. No, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's all right. Okay, guys, I need to go. My wife is calling me. Plus, for some reason, my internet is trolling me right now. I'm getting really low upload speed. So my stream is probably chopped or something. I need to talk to my... Yeah, you too, brothers. Have fun. Good evening, good night, good day, good morning, wherever you are. Have a nice day ahead. All right, I'm ending the stream. Okay, let me do this way. Bye-bye. I'm gonna end this as soon as I see myself switch to the bigger screen. Yeah, my stream is delayed for sure. Yeah, I'm still talking in my stream. Yeah. Okay, now I need to end this.